Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're rounding numbers to a set number of digits and stripping extra zeros in JavaScript. This is super useful when cleaning up output for reports or user interfaces. Let's jump in and see how it works. Sometimes we get messy floating point numbers with lots of trailing zeros. We want to round these to a specific precision and strip the excess. This improves readability and makes our data look polished. We'll handle this using the simple JavaScript functions. First, we round the number using toFixed, which returns a string. Then, we convert that string back into a number with parsefloat. This is what strips off any unnecessary trailing zeros. It is a simple and effective pattern you can reuse. The process is straightforward. We round with toFixed, which keeps zeros because it returns a string. Then, parsefloat converts the string into a number, automatically removing the extra zeros. This is why combining both gives us clean results every time. Here are some examples using our approach. Notice how all trailing zeros are gone after conversion. We keep just the digits we need, rounded to the correct precision. It is clean, precise, and exactly what we want. This technique comes in handy in tons of real-world scenarios. Think of financial apps, scientific tools, or anytime you display decimals to users. Clean, clean data builds user trust and makes your apps look more professional. And now you have an easy method to do just that. So that's it for rounding numbers and stripping trailing zeros. We've learned how to combine toFixed and parsefloat to keep data tidy. It is a quick win that makes your apps shine. Thanks so much for joining me and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.